Jackson, put your board back up there. Jackson, put the board back up there and draw on the board, please. Jackson! Put the board back up there. It's on the floor behind you. Put the board back up there and draw on it. The thing on the floor. Right there. No, you just walked right by it. No. Don't draw on here. Put that back on your table. No, don't draw on anything. No.
Jackson, Mommy's gonna give you a papao, okay? You've been looking for. You're gonna get it.
No. Don't draw. No. Over there on the board. No. Yeah, that's okay. No.